Hello world, welcome to Furman Jeep. This is Jason Speed, and he's going to show you how to convert the soft top on a 2020 Ford Jeep Wrangler and put it back on. First, you want to fold visors down and unlatch the clips. Now you just lift up on the front panel of the soft top. From here, you can fold that front half back over the rear. If you're like most soft top owners, you can ride just like this. If you'd like to go completely open air, there's a little more work to do. All the rear panels come completely off as well. Simply untuck the window from the groove, detach the Velcro, pop the corner piece out, and slide it off of the track it's on. I can assure you, it's a lot easier than it looks. Repeat same exact steps on the passenger side. Now your rear window will completely slide out in either direction. There is a lever right here at the top of the rear of the soft top. Pull that lever, and you will be able to convert the entire top back behind the spare tire. Lastly, lock the soft top in place by moving the lock down. And again on passenger side. Congratulations, you're now topless. Now let's see how to put the soft top back up and secure it. The soft top won't move until we unlock the track on both sides. So let's do that first. Now you can push the soft top back up the track. Go ahead and close the front panel as well, so the rear area is straight. This will make it easier to put the rear panels back on. It doesn't matter what order you put the rear panels back in. So we'll start with the rear window. It attaches through a track system that you just slide on. Speed here is putting the top track on first. Key note here: be sure to keep the window level as you slide it in, otherwise it can come off the track. This is the bottom track. It serves as a seal for the door. It detaches by just pulling it out. Now you can slide it on the bottom track of the window. Now the passenger side panel, you'll notice there is a number 2 on the corner of the panel, just to remind you of what side this goes on. Slide the panel on the track. Tuck the corner under the top piece. Make sure the bottom of the corner piece snaps into place. Now simply just tuck the panel into the grooves to secure it. Now tuck the rear panel into the passenger panel, and then tuck the small space at the bottom. Let's repeat the steps on the driver's side. This panel has a number 1 on the corner. It slides onto the track the same way the passenger side did. Remember, tuck the corner under the top piece. Once again, snap this bottom corner piece into place. Just like on the passenger panel, you're going to tuck the panel into the grooves to secure it. You're so close to finishing. Tuck the rear panel into the driver's panel again. And don't forget about the small piece at the bottom. Now, all that is left to do is latch the top to your windshield with the 2 clips we started with. Fold up those visors and you are done. There you have it. A detailed step-by-step video of not only how to take the soft top on a Jeep Wrangler back, but also how to put it back on. We hope you found this video helpful. Speed is asking for your help in getting this channel to grow. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you're looking for a Jeep Wrangler yourself, come to Furman Jeep on State Road 54 in beautiful Lutz, Florida, and ask for Speed.